Hello, boys and girls. Guess what time it is? It's story time. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another story time with Ms Marcia. So let us sing together. Sing with me. It's story time, it's story time. You haven't got to pay a dime. If you want to have some fun, get a comfy seat and sit right down. Now listen very carefully, for you can learn as much as me. Make believe in what you hear, these stories I shall read to you. La 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 la. And our story today is The Bus for Us by Suzanne Bloom. The Bus for Us by Suzanne Bloom. So let us see what this story is going to be all about. The Bus for Us. Is this the bus for us, Gus? So who is Gus? Yeah, that's Gus right there. No, Tess. This is a taxi. Yeah, that's Tess right there asking. Is this the bus for us, Gus? What is coming? Let's see. No, Tess. This is a tow truck. So where are they waiting? You're right. They're at the bus stop. Is this the bus for us, Gus? Look what's coming. What do you think is coming next? Let us see. No, Tess. This is a fire engine. So let's see if there's any more or the bus is gonna be there. Is this the bus for us, Gus? Look at that. What do you think that is? Is that the bus? No, Tess. This is the ice cream truck. Woohoo! And look at so many people at the bus stop. Is this the bus for us, Gus? There it is. It's green. So what do you think is coming? No, Tess. This is the garbage truck. Is this the bus for us, Gus? What is coming? Let's see what that is. No, Tess. This is a backhoe. See? Now look, so many more people at the bus stop. Is this the bus for us, Gus? We can't see anything, so we don't know. So let's see. Ah, yes, Tess. This is the bus for us. Let's go. So they're going onto the bus. The end. I hope you enjoyed the story. If you did, just don't forget to subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time around on Storytime with Ms Marcia. Bye now. Bye.